How long are you going to stay?
We're here about a week.
Ah, good. A week, it's a lot. You know, this is not my job. You know what I do? I'm an ophthalmology veterinarian.
Oh, wow.
But I do this for friends. I have 10 person tonight. They want to eat sitting. I have to clean all the table. And they want to eat something about meat. And so, and I know them, and this is what we do this.
That's fantastic.
How was the Cappella Sistina today? Good?
Oh, absolutely stunning. It was fabulous.
Unbelievable.
And there was no one, it was only us.
A lot of people, full,
Yeah,
as
there's
usual.
always people there. This is a special year, the Jubilee, there's so many more people coming still. Doesn't feel like December.
Yeah. I think November is the best moment to come to visit Rome because there are not so full of people.
Yeah, but this year's been crazy.
Yeah, there are, but not so.
Yeah, I mean, it can always be worse, like it was in July, and the summer is not stopping people. Actually, in the summer we get a lot of people from Texas, now that I think about it.
Well, the weather's the same.
Yeah, from
So-
Texas, from Florida. Yeah, it's very hot.
And I have two children, both are American. They were born in the States.
Oh, wow.
One in Illinois and the other one in Florida.
Where in Florida?
Florida, Gainesville.
Okay.
And the son was born in Champaign-Urbana.
Okay.
Is he about today?
Mm?
Tuo figlio, sta in giro?
Mio figlio oggi, he's working in academia.
Oh, ok.
He's, you know, he made the jewels.
Mm-hmm.
He just put the stones.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yes, he has this fascinating job, of course. Being a goldsmith is not easy to learn it.
No.
And unfortunately, there's a lot of things which are dying because people don't have the patience to learn those anymore.
Mhm.
Like what we saw this morning, like a marble cutter,
Right.
mosaic maker, those things are dying.
Yeah.
And the bad thing is, since they're those schools, they offer scholarships if you want to. Well, you need years, clearly.
Yes.
And so, even the organs, we have so many beautiful churches in Rome, and the organs are falling apart because people don't want to learn how to play the organ anymore.
We have a problem with that in our
Because it would appear that